Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about cleaning out underneath your tractor. Just a good time of the year to give you that reminder. Please take the time to pull your tractor up and get the air blowgun out. Blow out from in beside the muffler and around the muffler. If you can, pull the plastic covers off of around the machine and blow out around your hydraulic valves and underneath the cab. It's going to take you some time, but we're into one of those nice days today. Tractors go out to the field, they start to work, they get a lot warmer than they have all winter. A lot of them end up calling for a regen, and then all of a sudden there's smoke coming from underneath the cab. Doesn't seem to matter what color the tractor is, they all have the same issue. So just a reminder, take some time, blow those tractors off, maybe wash them if you have time to get all of that material out of there that's collected from processing bales and things like that through the winter. If you have questions that, how to get some of the shields off, by all means give us a call. But just that safety reminder. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.